Well, we're into full bore winter out there. It's cold. We've got some clouds hanging in. There have been some instances of at least a few flurries, isolated snow showers hanging around this morning. But that's really about it. The Max Track shows very little until you put the map into motion. You see these hints of white diminishing. Those are your flurries that you may run into. Big coastal storm, ice storm down towards Wilmington, North Carolina. They're not going to handle that well, and they could be in for a rough ride. Winter storm warning out there. They've got snow flying up towards the upper Midwest. Look at the current snowpack for the United States. We've got it New England, upper Midwest, into the mountains, everywhere you would expect. And then you can see that thin line of accumulated snow from the last couple of rounds that have gone through here that is still hanging around. So 33.6% of the continental United States is covered in snow, average snow depth of just over 3.5 inches. And speaking of snow, we've now had in Lexington 14 inches of snow. This is all within the month of January. We didn't get anything beyond trace amounts in December or back in November. So 9.3 inches above normal. Our average annual snowfall is 14.5 inches. We're almost up to that amount. And we still got the rest of January, February to get through. Some of our biggest snows can even come into early March. What was a very simmering kind of winter forecast throughout much of the month of December has just started to rapidly boil going into January with all these wintry hits we're taking. There's that snow and ice chance that I was talking about. They've got an ice storm warning out, part of the coastal Carolinas. Here we are in between and in good shape. I mean, it's cold, but here comes a front that's going to drop south later in the weekend. And eventually, as a clipper drops in, we'll see an increase in cloud cover Saturday night, Sunday, and just maybe a few flurries, some isolated snow showers Sunday. It's 19 degrees in Lexington. We have a wind chill in the teens thanks to this. A wind out of the north-northeast sustained between 10 to 15 miles per hour. Wind chills way down the single digits, actually, in Lexington. If I take you forward in time into early tomorrow morning, the temperature will get even lower. We'll still have a bit of a wind, 5 to 10 miles per hour, but it'll do that. Drive the wind chill down late tonight into tomorrow morning, so pretty much all night long, to sub-zero levels. So watch out, a frigid Saturday morning. And then Saturday afternoon, we'll start to slowly bounce back and just maybe even hit near freezing for a high, if that's any kind of an improvement for you. So mostly sunny and cold today. Highs only in the mid-20s. Remember that wicked wind chill overnight, sub-zero at times with that south to southwest wind shift. Initially not doing us any favors due to the wind chill, but eventually that south to southwest wind shift will start to gradually warm temperatures up. It's not going to be much, but low to mid-30s by the end of the weekend. But next best chance for active weather, rain to snow showers, looks like Monday night into Tuesday with our next frontal system dropping in.